their colleges or schools can be nominated in. Right from the primary school to a post-graduation college in commerce or arts or science or medicine or business. There are some interesting awards as well. If you are an alumni member and if you think your alumni is very active, your school can win an award for best alumni. Or if you are an achiever, you think you have achieved something in life, and based on the achievers list from that particular school or particular college, the best campus of achievers will be selected. So there will be winners in each of those categories, and the winners will get their campus a Wi-Fi connectivity.